Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can video call somebody on Messenger, and yeah, that's pretty much it, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in my Messenger chat window, and as you can see, I have two chats. One is a empty group chat with myself only, and another is one with my friend. Now, as you can see, our chat is empty. I just sent a couple of messages to get everything to work, and as you can see at the very top, you have this sort of phone, call it whatever you want. I forgot what it's called, but the phone piece, and you have the camera. Now, to actually video call someone, what you want to do is press on that camera icon, and then their phone will start to ring, and then they'll have to answer for you to actually start video chatting. Now, you could even call them normally without video just by doing a voice call. Once they join the voice call, you have the option to turn on or turn off your camera, and so do they. And if you want to both turn on your camera at the same time, you have that liberty to do so. Pretty much in both scenarios, you will be in the same type of call. You can turn on, turn off your camera at any time. The only difference is if you're calling them through the video call, they'll see that it is a video call, and if they join, their camera will automatically be on, and if it's just a normal call, they'll see that as well, and they'll know that their camera will be off. And that is pretty much all there is to it. I won't call my friend since I don't want to disturb him, but that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.